It is with the pleasure, the joy, and the love that we welcome you. We welcome you to this Congress of Magicians, this time we call mystical infusions of love, to this celebration, rituals to make sacred, to renew commitment, to honor, to acknowledge respect, and to honor, to celebrate love with the mystical infusions. We welcome you as you gather, and together to work magic, and together to make love. Greater love, grander love in you, in your reality. To make love, greater love, grander love in the world that surrounds you. Yes, welcome, welcome, welcome. Last night, you heard our call and you gathered, most of you here gathered, as we conducted a working of magic to create a fount of miracles under the veil there, gathering its energy, building its energy, renewing its energy, a fountain of the miraculous, of that which is beyond what you expect and imagine, beyond what you can expect, beyond what you can imagine yet. The miraculous, that which is by synchronicity, by amplified coincidence, able to generate change, to bring meaning that has significance, that has value, to generate change. The miraculous, that which opens you to that immense energy in that space that is called the liminal, that space that is called the between, that can allow transcendent moments to generate transcendence, to lift you out. A transcendent moment in which you can lift yourself out of where you've been to become more of who you truly are. A transcendent moment that can also open to the miraculous of truth. Truth that can catapult you forward. Yes, together we created a fount of miracles to which you can return. We are going to use this fountain during these days, this Congress, but also in the weeks and in the months of this year of understanding. You can return to receive the nurturing and the nourishment of a field of resonance, a field more powerful than the ingredients that compose it, in which you can awaken miracles and find the momentum, You have the motivation, but to find the momentum to move forward in the making and the working of miracles. Yes, we will use this fountain during these days. You can use it in the days ahead, in the weeks ahead, in the months as they unfold, returning to the resonance, returning to the fount, to immerse yourself, to be awash with miracles in your life, in your world, and yes, in the world about you. And so you come these days, a Congress of Magicians, you come these days to infuse your reality, your private reality, your personal life, and to infuse the world that surrounds you with love. Injections, if you will, infusions, mystical infusions, beyond the normal view, beyond the normal hearing. Mystical infusions of love, to celebrate love, to work magic, yes, but to make love, to change you and to change your world and to change the world.